Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Aura Neuron Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and this is another gold specialist from the Aura series by Stanislav Tomilov. This one uses neural networks for XAUUSD on the 1 hour time frame, and it claims that it's safe, it's consistent, and without grades or martingale. So let's dig into what the developer actually promises and also what our backtest reveals. So ensure you watch this video to the end, as we are going to go over everything. This expert advisor goes just for $999. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. It's available for free, and you can get it by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. According to the MQL5 page for the Aura Neuron, we can see that it is powered by a multi-layer perception, and this is a neural network that predicts market trend and movement. It analyzes pattern and adapts to changing conditions using advanced AI. We are in the era of artificial intelligence, so this is expected. The EA trades only on XAUUSD on the 1 hour time frame, and it takes directional trades based on the neural network forecast, and also uses hard stop loss and take profit on every position. And the developer promises that there is no martingale, there's no greed trading, and there's no dangerous money management. He also emphasizes stable results since 1999 with high quality data, not sensitive to broker conditions, and fully prop firm ready. The live low risk signal shows 62% growth over 84 weeks. This is how it looks from 2024 September up until May 2026. We have just 62% growth, and we have a 94.8% win rate. We have a 34% max drawdown. That is huge, so you should be very aware of that. The drawdown on this is quite huge. You should have enough capital, enough equity to be able to stomach that big drawdown which this expert advisor has. And also it has a good steady performance. You can see the equity curve, and they highlight walk forward optimization and robustness checks to avoid curve fitting. Bonus offers other Aura EAs, so when you buy it you have other Aura EAs for you. And also on paper it sounds like that smart modern gold robot built for long-term reliability. About the features, the developer says that the setup is straightforward. Just attach it to your XAUUSD gold on the 1 hour time frame, and also your minimum deposit is $100. The minimum leverage is just 1:20. So this is the settings, these are the inputs, and you should also run this on an ECN broker. And the marketed features include the neural network intelligence with fixed stop loss and take profit with the trailing option. Also, we have the hedging support, which you can disable for FIFO, and max spread filter and easy installation. They push the visual panel. They also have a visual panel with constant updates, and is designed for stable long-term automated trading without the usual good EA drama. You can see this is how it looks, and we also have their backtest results from 2010 to 2024, and this is their prop firm settings in case you do not want max drawdowns. They have this prop firm settings which you can fix in the inputs, and you get this in real time. You get all of these packages when you purchase the expert advisor, but on their default the max drawdown is quite high on default, so you can set everything, you can set it all in accordance to your preferences. I had the opportunity to run this expert advisor on gold, run my own backtest on it on the XAUUSD on the 1 hour, and I did it on a $10,000 deposit. The equity curve is almost straight line upward. Very impressive, looking very good. You can see it ended with over $59,000 profit, basically 100% win rate. And you can see it here, 100% win rate on this expert advisor. And we also have 34% drawdown. We have a 34%, and my test looks, actually we have 100% win rate, no visible drawdown actually, and but I used 30% risk and the recovery on, so this helped explain the monster gains which you have of about $59,000 profits. And if you compare this to the developer signal with 94.8% wins and 34% drawdown, my test looks better because of aggressive settings which I used in my inputs. Remember, they have a recovery system which uses neural networks, and all of this was what I set in my own backtest, and I use the 30% risk and recovery on, so you can see here. And also the features that actually matter are just the recovery coefficient at 2.0. We have the trailing start at 105, and we have the take profits at 750, and the stop losses at 3,900. And also we have the risk percentage, and if you dial it way down in real life, you can see how it works up for you when using this expert advisor. Honestly, the thing is, neural network sounds fancy, but gold on its own is brutal. It's very volatile, and the wide stop and recovery multiplier mean one bad period can ramp exposure and create real pain, and that explains the max drawdown which we experience when using this expert advisor. And live results, we have losses and bigger drawdowns that optimized backtest. Curve fitting is always a risk also, and that is always a risk with these AI systems. Even if they show walk forwards and good live signals and all of that, you should always consider factoring the risks that come with curve fitting and slippages and all of that comes with live trading. And this is about it for the Aura Neuron for MetaTrader 5. I'll say it's a directional neural network based gold trader with recovery elements, and it performs strong in trending markets, but it can suffer in chop or during reversals. Nuances, I'll say spread and slippage still bite on gold, and recovery can turn small losses into big ones fast, so you should be careful when using the recovery option. And I'll say it's for experienced traders who run low risk, who understand gold volatility and can handle 25 to 35% drawdowns. I'll say beginners should avoid it, or traders with risk averse accounts, or anyone expecting 100% wins forever. Yeah, that's it about this Aura Neuron expert advisor for MT5. If this honest review helped you, smash the like, subscribe and turn on notifications, and comment below which expert advisor you want next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below, and trade safe. I'll see you in the next video.